Hi guys, in today's video we're gonna cover how to conditionally format our cells in Excel. So let's go back to our usual example. Let's say we have students. Let's say we have a name and grade, and the students are Alex and he got 80, Jessica, she got 90, let's say Albert, he gets let's say he got 50, and then let's say another Alex, he got 30, right? So let's say we're the teacher, and in our class, anybody who got below 60 failed the class, right? So let's say, I mean, in our case, the list is very short, but let's say it's a long list, right? Sometimes it's hard to see how many people fail or pass, right? And we want to be able to distinguish it quickly. So let's say we want to mark anybody who got below than the 60 as red, right? We want to mark that cell as red. So in order to do that, what we can do, we can just select this grade, right? Then go to Conditional Formatting and say highlight cells with the rules, right? So we want to highlight cells that have a grade lower than 60, right? Because that means that those students failed. So we go here, and we can put over here cell value. If it's less than 60, right, then we can red fill it with the dark red, right? I mean, we can pick other stuff, and we can do custom formatting where you get more creative, but for our simple example, we can just mark it as red, right? Here you go. So now we got all the students who got the grade below 60, they still get marked as red, right? And the cool part about it is that we can also, change, right? Let's say we change this guy, Alex, with his grade 59, right? Boom, that cell automatically changes, right? And then let's say the Alex actually, I mean, this is second Alex, right? Let's say we get mixed up the Alexes, right? And then the second Alex got 80 actually. Boom, he changes right away, right? So you can get really creative with that. And let's say you messed it up and you want to remove the formatting. So the way you do that, you go back to the conditional formatting, you say clear rules, and then you can pick whether you want to clear rules just for the selected area, in our case it's a grade, or you want to put the entire sheet, right? So in this case, we want to just select the area. Boom, that's it, it's gone. Alright, I hope you guys like this video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you very much.